Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. There are thousands of affiliate programs available, but most fall short, like low commissions, weak conversions, or payouts that disappear after a year. That's why in this guide I'm sharing 13 affiliate programs that truly stand out in 2026. These are programs I either use personally or recommend based on commission structure, scalability, market demand, and long term earning potential. Some offer recurring monthly commissions, others pay high ticket payouts, and few are perfect for scaling with volume. Let's dive in. So let's start with tools that pay you every month as long as your referral stays subscribed. The first one is Techniforce Affiliate Program, and they offer 50% commissions. One of the most lucrative affiliate opportunities you can join in 2026 is the Techniforce Affiliate Program. Unlike many affiliate programs that pay small percentages or short term payouts, Techniforce offers a straight 50% commission on all its software products, which is significantly higher than the industry average for SaaS tools. Technicforce creates a wide range of internet marketing tools and automation software that help creators, marketers, and business owners grow their online presence. These include funnel builders, course platforms, AI content tools, video marketing software, social media automation tools, and more, giving you multiple products to promote under one program. With generous commission rates and a broad catalog of marketable tools, this affiliate program is ideal for content creators, digital marketers, and anyone looking to build a recurring and scalable affiliate income stream in 2026. Second one is Thinkific. Thinkific has been one of the most consistent recurring income sources for course creators. It offers a 30% recurring commission. Since online courses are long term products, customers tend to remain subscribed for extended periods. If your audience is interested in education, coaching, or digital entrepreneurship, this is a strong and stable affiliate program. The third one is Kajabi. Kajabi is another all in one platform for courses, memberships, and digital products. It also pays 30% recurring commission, and it's especially attractive to creators who are serious about building a brand or scaling an online business, which makes it easy to promote with a strong value proposition. The fourth one is AI software tools. AI continues to dominate in 2026, and many AI tools offer between 30% and 50% recurring commissions. However, you should prioritize programs that offer lifetime recurring payouts instead of expiring after 12 months. Tools that provide ongoing value typically retain customers longer, which means more predictable affiliate income. The fifth one is WPX hosting. Web hosting remains a necessity for every website owner. WPX stands out due to strong performance and customer satisfaction. It pays up to $150 per sale. For bloggers, affiliate marketers, and niche site builders, hosting is an evergreen offer with consistent demand. The sixth one is VPN programs. VPNs like NordVPN and ExpressVPN operate as high value affiliate opportunities. Depending on campaigns, payouts range from $50 to $150 per sign up. They integrate naturally into YouTube tutorials, review content, and blog posts. Many creators generate substantial monthly revenue through simple educational content built around VPN use cases. Next is high ticket affiliate programs. These programs require fewer sales but deliver significantly larger payouts. So the seventh one is Goldco. Goldco operates in the Gold IRA rollover space. It's specialized niche, but commissions can reach 4 to 5 figures per sale. And if your audience includes retirees or individuals focused on wealth preservation, this can be extremely profitable. Top 8 is Backcountry. Most outdoor affiliate programs offer around 5% commission, but Backcountry pays up to 12%, which is strong for physical products. If you operate in the travel, hiking, or adventure niche, this brand recognition can significantly improve conversion rates. Top 9 is Shark Ninja. Shark Ninja covers well known home and kitchen brands. Commissions can go up to 20%, which is unusually high for physical goods. Because these are trusted customer brands, conversion tend to perform well compared to lesser known alternatives. Top 10 is Shopify. Shopify remains one of the easiest e commerce affiliates to promote, and you're paid per sign up, and the platform has strong global recognition. Even if your audience isn't purely focused on e commerce, many creators and small businesses need online stores, making this a broad and scalable opportunity. Next are affiliate networks and scalable marketplaces. So these platforms allow you to scale efficiently by accessing multiple programs from one dashboard. Top 11 is travel payouts. Travel payouts gives you access to numerous travel affiliate programs. through a single platform: flights, hotels, rental cars, and insurance. If you're in the travel or digital nomad niche, this simplifies monetization without managing dozens of separate accounts. Top 12 is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is growing rapidly. You earn commissions by promoting products directly within TikTok content, and because of its impulse buy behavior, it works especially well for creators producing high volume short form content. Top 13 is Impact and Partner Stack. Impact and Partner Stack are powerful affiliate networks focused heavily on major brands and SaaS products. Instead of applying to individual programs one by one, you gain access to multiple partnerships in one place. And this is ideal if your niche revolves around digital tools, marketing software, or business solutions. Now, if you're just getting started, I recommend focusing on one of three paths, like recurring SaaS programs for predictable monthly income, high ticket offers for larger payouts per sale, and scalable platforms that let you promote multiple brands. And choose strategically based on your niche, audience intent, and content style. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.